So, okay. I thought I was recording, but it wasn't. I'm talking. We're gonna go down the waterfall trail. Okay, here we go. I had to run my fat ass back here to make it. Okay, we're gonna take the waterfall trail. Okay, now here we go.
I got you.
Ooh, it's because it's such loose.
Okay, let me hold it.
gravel.
Yeah, I got you. Come on.
Come on, Mommy and
Daddy's
Daddy
got you.
both hold your hand.
Daddy's got you.
Mommy too? Make it easier. We're in no hurry.
None.
We have all day. And it's early.
We probably don't
What time is
want
it,
to find him
9?
here. You're going to have to carry him a long way back, son.
Yeah. Plus, you know what? We want aspen tree ones. So there's aspen tree ones
wanna hold
over by
hands?
our... Okay, look at... You just have to look, see? Look at all this. You got to pay attention, okay?
Just hold Daddy's hand.
Good girl. Just pay attention. Just look where you're going.
She's going to like this right here.
Mm-hmm. Oh, so beautiful, you guys. Tomorrow we're gonna go across the lake and go day fishing, take a picnic. Cause I like swimming over there because you got big slabs of rock you can like kind of lay on between swimming. It's awesome. But then it's kind of deeper over there, but you're still, takes a while to get to that. Woo! Jump! Jump! Okay.
Should be the
I'm going to turn this off
house.
for a minute. Wouldn't that be awesome?
Everybody be coming over.
You guys go ahead. You guys.
Which way, Mama?
Yeah, keep going.
Keep going straight, son?
Yeah, you just follow it. There really is no detour off this trail. It's a very easy, one-way kind of thing. There's a lake behind us, you guys. We're gonna go swim and fish the other side tomorrow. Okay, let's keep trucking. So we're only like a minute or two from when I turned off to get there. Straight out of my fairy garden dreams, you girls, huh, guys? Oh my God, any of my fairy garden
I think so.
crew out there? A lot of little wildflowers. I haven't seen any like columbine yet. I see a lot of little purple and white. No, I'll show you a columbine if I see it. I don't know what those are. Those are like little daisies. Purple daisies. I was gonna say, that's one of those black squirrels I was talking about. Do you see it? Remember, Junior, I was telling you there's a lot of these black squirrels. And some of them are, and they're really actually really cute when you look at them.
It's probably because they can jump from tree to tree and soar pretty good.
They do, they look like they're like flying black squirrels. Like... Somebody with their pop can or beer can or whatever, huh?
Okay, careful.
Isn't that beautiful?
Yeah, come here.
It's like a little waterfall, huh?
We're going to go see a big waterfall.
Yeah. I see, but no, nothing. Awesome.
I got you. You're going nowhere but with me. Okay? Yep, we're going this way.
Awesome, you guys.
Not this way. In fact, Mama,
Yes.
this is where Danielle fell.
Yeah, I think you're right. We're good.
Because I remember she just felt. What you think?
We got kind of a straight up incline right there. Get up.
Yep, saying hazardous. Really more people on the dogs, but letting us all know.
Because it is, yeah, slippery.
Nope. Here. Follow this. This path. Just really watch your steps, son. Because you're in tennis shoes.
Should have put your hiking boots on.
You okay, Mama?
Good. I'm good, baby. When it's just me, you know what I mean? All I have to worry about is me and my balance. I'm so good.
Let's get there.
It gets a little hard with her because you're trying to, I know, you're trying to balance yourself. Well, it's definitely not as fast running as I remember it,
Look.
or as much water. So this is a waterfall, you guys. It's a natural waterfall. So this is where it comes from into.
Is that the waterfall?
Hey, all the pictures I have is all of us up here on this bridge.
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh, we can't go in there. That's dangerous.
We could probably, I tell you what, we could probably come over to the side and like feel it.
It says no.
Well, not climb on it, just feel the water, you know what I mean? I can do that.
I don't think I can do it.
No?
No.
Don't have to.
Oh, by the way, blush me.
Bummer.
What?
We gotta make one more time up here. I forgot an empty bottle.
You what?
I forgot an empty bottle. Now we fill from the waterfall.
Oh.
Our empty bottles, yeah. We'll come up one more time before we leave.
You want to look at it over here? Look at this.
This side is awesome.
Come
Look
over
how
here.
pure and clean
Look.
that is, you guys. Look at how, yeah,
It is. There's not as much running through as there normally is.
Yeah, it's usually like almost like rapids going through here. So look at how man-made, it's all man-made from the, or I'm sorry, natural from the, it's all natural from the.
You know what the sharpest tool in the world is, son? Water. Because it never dulls. You see all those cuts in the rocks? Water did that. Water is the sharpest tool in the world. And they make these machines for like punch presses. The tinier holes that you have,
Of course, can't.
and the more pressure you have pushing water through there, it will literally put your body in there. Because of the pressure that water can do. The beautiful thing about
Beautiful
water.
and awesome. People, we possibly saw snakes somewhere, but we couldn't even understand where with this sign. So. Watch for snakes. I think Mommy's gonna bust her selfie stick out and we're gonna take some pictures. Mia, do you like the water? Look at Mommy. You like the waterfall? Yeah.
Oh, that one? Probably up
Okay.
to the Cub Scout.
Hold it both hands. Put one hand here and one hand here. Okay, got it?
I took it
Okay.
last time we were here, just come up there. Darn tootin' I did. I took a picture right here when we
You
were
gotta
walking up
watch
here.
the ground. There you go. Watch where you're going. Right.
Come on.
Got it?
You got me.
Good job.
Damn
You're
thing got
doing
me.
it. Good job. You're doing it. Very good, Mia.
That's why he was stuck on me.
Daddy. Oh, you found
Oh, you want me to do it?
Oh, Santa, Daddy.
Oh, wait for us. Wait for us. She wants
I'm
you.
sorry.
Oh, Santa, Daddy.
I'm right here.
No, she's getting
Here, come here, son.
Oh, Santa, Daddy.
Come here.
Whose hand do you want to hold? Or do you gonna do it all by yourself?
Oh, Santa, Daddy.
Son and daddy?
Okay.
Okay. She
Wanna hold
wants
my
us
hand?
all together.
She
Sorry,
wants to
Mom.
walk all together.
You left out. Oh,
You want to hold Daddy's hand?
Does it put hands in?
No, she just wants you here. She doesn't want you to touch her.
She just wants you to walk.
She doesn't want the brother cooties right now. Only daddy cooties.
But you stay near. Because then she
Yeah, stay close.
because then she gets mad with you.
Gets mad when you're gone and mad when you're near.
But you can't touch her, huh? Is that a safe distance, man?
Oh, thanks, Snake.
Yeah, that's not even a mile
I
walk.
saw a snake's tail. What? I want to do some bushes.
Look at these beautiful birds.
I thought that was like a snake or a squirrel. Nice.
I got you. You're okay.
Give me the backpack.
I got it, Mom.
Are you sure?
You just enjoy it. Take
Baby,
pictures.
we're like back.
Take pictures.
Adorable. I videotaped you guys walking.
Uh-huh.
I do I got her on videotape when she's no son, but wants you both to walk by her.
Oh, snake.
Yeah?
You saw a snake?
No.
I know.
I saw something's tail.
Nice.
Did you?
Yeah. It was like,
Ooh-wee,
There's
huh?
the lake right there. There's the lake. We're gonna go back and swim.
Mommy.
Junior. Son.
I swear,
Isn't it?
that was either a snake or a rat's tail.
Probably mountain or mice. Of course.
I mean, I saw it, but it was like, oh, bee. Hate bees.
Check it out.
Mom, ready? I could jump right from over that. I just pretty much walked over it. Like, I was like, yeet. Yeet. I think I'm scared of.
So we're gonna go back to camp and get ready to go swimming. Awesome.
Yeah, I guess it. Oh.
You want to sit on Daddy?
What am I doing? I'm just gonna throw it out. Oh, hi.
Say hey, everyone. We're back. We went swimming. Now we are chilling, huh? I'm about to lay her down.
But she doesn't
I'm
know
gonna
yet.
get organized. Yeah, we're not saying that. We're gonna go probably read a unicorn book in the tent. Hang out in there for a bit.
Well, she sounds braided.
Yes, I saw that. It's cute. It's like a Lagertha one in the back. Adorable. It's getting real hot out here right now. We already went swimming. It was like 10:30 when we went swimming, so we'll go again this afternoon. Tomorrow we're gonna go to over there at that side of the lake, huh? We'll go swim and fish over there for the day. Chilling. Show the lake.
Ma'am?
We
Mom,
did.
your
We took a
cigarette.
good hike. Sorry, baby.
That's why she's tuckered.
Yes. So Mommy gonna go put a bag down. don't understand. Should I transfer now or wait until?
Wait till she's out. You're so cute. Every time your work pops out of your mouth. Should I transfer now or wait?
No.
That's why I caught myself one time with him yesterday. 10-4.
10-4.
And as soon as I saw him, like, really, man?
We're
Talking to your boy. Now, if I were to say it like a joke, 10-4, but I didn't. I was all 10-4. Just gotta get that body warm.
We just got done swimming. Huh? Did we get done swimming?
Should we go get sticks so we can make s'mores?
Yeah, we're gonna all
do you
get
want?
dried out, and
Do you
we're
wanna
gonna
see the
go
pictures?
hunt for some.
Okay. Mommy's gonna show them to you. She's getting them ready.
Yeah, we're gonna go hunt for some.
Mommy's getting the pictures ready to show you.
Well, that.
Long fucking walk for her.
So you guys, this is after swimming for the
Twice.
second time. Yeah, this is after swimming for the second time. Her and I got our do-rags. We all got changed into dry clothes because we were gonna go get our s'more sticks and then that. So, all right, crew. Mommy's gonna organize here in a little bit, and then we're gonna start cooking and make some coffee.